there is the first support of Icebreaker being lifted into place. The signed support signed during Media Day earlier this year. So here's the location of the new ride if you didn't know it. How fitting, it looks like it's snowing outside. So Shamu Stadium in the background and Mango Joe's is the quick service restaurant building on the right there. So station track supports are in there. The footers in front of that will be used for the transfer track, which will slide you to the right or left onto that quadruple launch section. And the 2 footers here in the back are going to be used for the spike, which will be located right here. Down the launch for the 4th and final time, and over the top hat right in this location in front of us. And down to the ground, and then up and over the pathway to this location for the back half of the ride. And you'll take your turnaround and then come right back over the pathway and into the home stretch.
What is this area going to be?